What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are back here at VTech, and we've got the event crew right behind me. Thank you guys for organizing this particular event and displaying this gorgeous car. This is the Zeekr 009 Grand, they call it. As you can see, the front light bar that's happening right here, hopefully the camera is catching it. These are currently lighted up. Now there is an option to make it fully off, or you can light it on, totally up to you. Just check that out. Absolutely beautiful. Now before we get right into the front, all the way to the side and to the back, let me just take a side walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks. Love the wheels, these chrome bright finish wheels, and the setup of this place is fantastic, man, dude. Check this out, dude. Love the Zeekr wording, my favorite when it's lighted up like that. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna jump right in a while more, but before that, let us take a look at the front on what we have right here. So first thing is first, you got your amazing DRLs that are lighted up on this side right here. You got your main headlights that are located down here also as well. You do get your chrome finishing that's happening all over the place right there. So number plate goes right there in the center. You got your light bar, as I mentioned earlier, how it just goes off and on. Absolutely beautiful. You got your Zeekr, how to say this, I wish this was lighted up, but no, it doesn't really maybe suit this car that well. But yeah, you do get the chrome finish on this part right here. So the head, the car looks absolutely amazing with all these lines that are popping down like that. Gorgeous finish. So you do get some cooling happening down here for these ones actually open up down there. Hope you guys can see it. But let's move on to the side. So the beautiful wheels that we have right here, 265/45R20. Love the finishing textured like design that's on the wheel. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you see what I mean? Absolutely amazing, guys. Michelin tires is what they're using. Charging socket is right there, indicates whether the car is still charging. You got the green light still on. Side mirrors on this side. Of course, once again, this is a left-hand drive because of course this is on a Malaysian spec. But yeah, let's open up the front doors and show it to you guys first. Gorgeous finish of a front. We'll jump right in shortly to show it to you. But nevertheless, I think everybody wants to see what's happening at the back. Check this out, guys. 43-inch TV. It's called a mini LED. I don't know how mini that is, but absolutely huge, man. Check out the seats, man. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous seats. This car is amazing, dude. Absolutely amazing. Now your screen is right here as well. I have no clue whatsoever on how to get this particular screen turned on, but yeah, I believe so that there is a way. Maybe the remote is hiding somewhere. I'm not really quite sure. But yeah, it is a gorgeous looking finish of a screen, guys, that we have right there. So on top right there, you got your amazing glass roof that slides back and forth. There's a lot of things to so you control using this. Cool. So you got your screen that's popped out right there. Amazing. A lot of controls on this side right here. I can even recline the seat if I wish to. Absolutely comfortable, guys. Now this is me reclining myself all the way to the back. I don't know for what reason, but this car feels super nice. Can you imagine you're traveling places and you're going to wherever it is that you're going to? I'm not really quite sure, but you are literally just trying to get to your destination in the most comfortablest way possible. Damn, nice. I like what I see. Cool. So let's push back the seats that we have right there. So this means that you're going to bring it back to where it's supposed to belong. So this covers back, it just slides back right in. So damn cool. Love the finishing. That's marble-like finish for the front there. Super cool indeed. These ones right here, I believe these are shades for you to actually use for that door also as well. But on this side right here, I'm not really quite sure over how do you, besides closing up the doors. Can't really tell whether which button is for which, but yeah, fantastic layout of what you guys are seeing. So let's check this out as well. So let's close that back and let's see what's happening on this side. Now I have no clue whatsoever because everything right here, maybe the language is being set differently, but nevertheless, wow, dude, this is absolutely amazing, man. I like it. I really do. Very nice. Beautiful. So right behind me, of course, you got speakers right there. Love it. Fantastic. Yamaha. Beautiful. So let's open up the doors and get right down. No clue what this is, but damn cool. So let's open that up. Door opens up automatically. Love the handle that is right here also as well. This leather finish, absolutely superb. Just check out the interior, man, dude. Absolutely amazing, guys. Gorgeous finish of a car. So let's jump right into the front passenger side to show you guys what I see. Now, right here with me, you got your amazing dashboard. Of course, this I believe should be in a different trimming if this car is ever coming to Malaysia. Got this leather finish of a dashboard, fantastic look, glove compartment obviously, and amazing finish of an interior, guys. Once again, love the screen in the center, cup holders right here, NFC card right there, gear up and down, very cool indeed, guys. Fantastic layout, beautiful stuff that's happening. So the seat belts at the back are brown, but this time around is in white. Damn cool. So let's get right down and let's jump right in to the other side, perhaps for the driver's seat. Now you've had a seat in the back, you've had a seat at the front passenger seat. Now what about the driver's side, which is supposed to be on the right side in Malaysia, but nevertheless we are now here with this car given to us for you guys to experience. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this view. Love the screen that we have right here. Turn indicators on this side, wipers on this side, but your gear is down here. Beautiful indeed. Zeekr wording right there also as well. Super cool, super amazing. I like what I see. Love what I see, man. So this right here, once again, seatbelt is in white. Seat is absolutely comfortable and nice. I can imagine myself rolling in this car, even though driving it, or maybe perhaps even best sitting at the back without even knowing the car is going where, because you're fully covered, guys. I'm very sure there's a way to see from the cameras, from the inside part, to showcase to you guys how amazing it looks. But guys, just check this out, man, dude. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. So what about the back part right here? Let's press that open. Take a look. Open it up fully. You got your chrome finish down here also as well. Amazing finish. Sensors for the rear. Compartment storage. Plenty of stuff that you guys can keep. This unfortunately does not fold fully down for you to keep stuff, because this car is not meant for that. 12-volt socket for your charge stuff. Another plug point right here, I believe. Yep. Cool, man. I like it. So these ones right here should be able to hang something. Marble-like finish on this side. Check that out. Beautiful, man, dude. Love it. So let's cover that. Let's close that back. Absolutely gorgeous. Superb finish on the inside, guys. Everywhere, every part of this car is just fantastic. So check out the way how they set their stuff up, guys. Fully blacked out grille. If you don't want that how to say, those lights to light up, you have it in this finish so as well, I believe. Maybe the other covers here and there. Love the Zeekr badging, the leather finishing. I like how they set up their stuff to make it seem as luxury as you can get, guys. This brand is such a beautiful brand. So if you'd like to find out more, guys, do check out the description below. Get in touch with the salesperson Sarah, and yeah, hopefully drive away with your brand new Zeekr 009, Zeekr 7X, Zeekr X, whatever Zeekr you need. These people have it all. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.